Hello everyone, Caleb Johnson here again. Welcome to the Trading Lab. So today I just want to show you guys a very quick analysis breakdown of a trade that we took together with our Telegram community on Euro AUD. And besides, if you want to join our Telegram community, it is absolutely free and the link will be in the description of this video. Let's go straight into it. So the very first thing you need to understand, which is key, is that you need what we call a pivot point. That is, you need a level on your higher time frame where price has been using both as support and a resistance on a previous basis. And I had this level of resistance and support both now and in the past here, where price has always been bouncing. You can see was resistance at this point. It became support, and now that price is back there, we're expecting to become support. But this is on the weekly time frame. Also on this same weekly time frame, we also had an area at this level here where we see that price has also had significant reactions in the past. You can see that towards this particular area here, price was in a range for a very long time in between these two areas, and now we can see that price recently just broke back into that same area again, and we are expecting to have some very massive reaction. So now once that happened, you can see that the previous weekly candle, that's the candle for last week, closed in this pin bar format. This is actually a candlestick pattern, so it's expected that, being that this closed at a resistance, that we are going to see some downsides. So having this in mind, we're going to be going to our 4-hour time frames to look for areas that we can use as our support and resistances. So on getting here, you can see that we are in a very consistent downtrend, right? But our area of focus is right here. Now you can see that after price had gotten to that particular resistance area, we now had price giving us this particular pattern over here. Now, for those of you that are very, very well aware, this is the very, very famous head and shoulders pattern. And then we had that after price gave us that particular area, we had a break and retest of this support level over here, which I have explained this in previous videos on how we can actually spot support and resistances. So we had a break and retest of that level twice. Now the particular entry that we had was this other one here, where price came back to that level again. That is the entry that I sent to the people at Telegram, and our stop loss was exactly here where it's supposed to be, and our take profit was at 300 pips, or we're actually looking at taking our profit once price nears this particular area right here, which is approximately at 300 pips. So you can see it's obviously a swing trade, and we are almost hitting TP, which will be announced in the Telegram very, very soon. But the point is that this trade was very, very simple, straightforward, to the point, using very basic price action principles. And if you want to join our Telegram community, all you have to do is click the link in the description of this video so you do not miss when we post signals of trades like this. If you want to be part of that, just join our Telegram. It's absolutely free, and I'll see you on the other side. Happy trading.